Hi everyone, this is Fernando along with Kevin and Cole, and today we're going to be talking about the R package called Twitter. So basically this package allows us to manipulate and analyze tweets directly from Twitter. So we can extract tweets, trends, direct messages, all directly from Twitter and into R. So for this video we're going to assume that you know how to get your API keys set up, and once you do that you can go ahead and do library Twitter to import the package. And for our first example, let's say we want tweets specifically about Cal Poly, so we can use a search Twitter function. And the first argument is going to be a string with the words that we want in our tweets. So in this case, we're saying give us tweets with the word Cal and the word Poly in them. Give us the 100 most recent ones, and we want them in English. So if we run this, you can see in our environment tab, we get returned a list of 100. So we can go ahead and use the head function to get a preview of these tweets, and you can see them all here. However, we are also getting tweets about Cal Poly Pomona, which we don't want. So what we can do is we can use the search Twitter function again, and using Twitter's search syntax, we can say, hey, give us words with the word Cal, the word Poly, but that don't have the word Pomona in them, and again, the 100 most recent ones, and in English. And we're saving this into a new variable called polyslow_tweets. So if we run this, we get returned a new list of 100, and again use the head function to get a preview of them. And you can see in here that we're getting tweets about Cal Poly, but nowhere in here we see the word Pomona. What we can also do is use the strip retweets function to get only original tweets, so no retweets or replies to tweets. So what we do is we pass in our list of tweets, and we're going to save that into a new variable called OG polyslow_tweets. So run this, and we see that the list is only 44, so we stripped out 56 retweets. So go ahead and use the head function on this one, and you can see now that we're only getting tweets about Cal Poly that are original. Some other cool functions include the twit list to def function. So we can pass in our list of tweets to this function, and we're going to save that into a new variable called polydf, which will return a data frame, which is much nicer to look at. So if we take a look at this, you can see directly the text of the tweet, its favorite count, the username, and the retweet count, and a bunch of other stuff. Another cool function is the user timeline function, which allows us to get tweets directly from a specific user. So if we use the getUser function, pass in a username, and then the 100 most recent tweets again, and we pass that all into the user timeline function, and we're going to get a list, and we're going to convert that list into a data frame, and we're saving that all into a variable called trumpdf. So this will return a data frame with the 100 most recent tweets from the real Donald Trump. So you can see here the text of the tweets and the username that are going to be all the same. Another cool function is the getTrends function, which allows us to get trends from a specific part of the world. So what you do is you pass in an ID, which represents a part of the world. If we pass in 1, that actually means worldwide. So if we do getTrends1 and save that into this variable called trends, we'll actually get a trends data frame that has all the current trends currently going on around the world. We can also use the closest trend locations to find out which locations nearest to us currently have trends going on. So here we're passing in the latitude and the longitude for Cal Poly, and this will return a data frame of only 1, and that has the word Fresno in it. So that's telling us Fresno is the location closest to us that currently has trends going on right now. So if we run the getTrends function again, this time with Fresno and its where on earth ID, and we save that into a variable called trends Fresno, this will return a data frame again, and you can see all the current trends that are going on in Fresno, which is the current location closest to us that has trends going on right now. So yeah, that's some of the functions within Twitter, and thank you.